Welcome to the Julie's World vlog. Hello! So welcome to another great week on the vlog. I'm thinking of starting something really, or I'm thinking of it. I'm planning to start something really exciting. So here on YouTube, they allow you to have a membership portion of your YouTube channel. So I think it's $4.99 a month. And for that, what you'll do is I will do a 1 hour long live stream once a month where you can ask your questions about scan and cut, about life, about art, anything like that. I'm planning to start each one with an art tip or an art technique. So it's like a little mini baby class every single month, private access to me where you can ask your questions live. I think it'll be good. So I hope that you will join me for that. In the meantime, enjoy this week. Small. I mean, you can see how little it is right in my hands. It's super duper easy. And it has a keyboard right on the front that you can see, so you can easily type in whatever you want to do in a design. So I'm just going to go ahead right now. I love the Scan and Cut DX. I mean, this is it. It's fairly small, as you can see. Very easy, very portable. And can you hear it? It's whisper.
We're all starting to get the idea, aren't we? Okay, very good.
It's really cool. Sorry, I'm dropping it all over the place.
You go ahead and talk.
I hit the snooze bar as long as humanly possible. It's just after 5:30 in the morning. I went to bed around 2 after coming off set last night, so 3.5 hours of sleep maybe. This is going to be one heck of a day.
Huge crafter, but something like this today special, you were saying anybody can do that. Yeah, in fact, I was saying this is actually a great machine for you, for someone who is a novice, because it makes you look good. So I want to actually take you through a project from start to finish, okay, so you can see just how easy it is. And Michelle, I think you'll really be into this.
Slug laying here on the couch in the green room. Everyone's gone back to the hotel to like get themselves together, but I have meetings and other stuff, so I can't do that. I am running on empty. 3.5 hours of sleep, maybe 3 hours, 20 minutes, something like that. My Fitbit said. So I'm tired, but you know, I will soldier on.
Epic day or a few days or whatever it has been. It's hard to tell. Sold more than $1 million. Ouch. Holy ow. Oh, that adhesive really hurt. Anyway, sold more than $1 million of the product today. Not that I see any of that money. But I'm proud of myself. I worked really hard. I am exhausted. I'm going to shower and try to sleep before I have to go to the airport in the morning. But I'm kind of on an adrenaline rush. Plus, I've eaten 1 million M&Ms. So sugar too. Anyway, good night. So I've showered, I'm ready for bed, I read my email, the broken water line, remember that? So we finally got the estimate in. $7,000. I swear to God, this house is going to be the death of me. I am at the airport and I am heading home and I'm happy about it.
Can we get an order of Peking ravioli, pan fried? And then can we get a mushu chicken with the hoisin on the side? Yes. And 2 wonton soups. And then which one did you want?
I'm going to have the boneless ribs, number 3.
Okay. Fried rice?
So meaning it will fade.
Everything will fade eventually, but in the window industry, this is the best. Different. There have been situations where even in a new construction situation, we have just used an insert window. Correct. You kind of like take a new opening, kind of put a slope sill on it so that it fits the old way. But the magazine due for Christmas, and I opened up the pages, and I just couldn't believe what I was seeing because they inspired me or enticed me as much as the welcoming towards the black and white pictures, because I felt them as color, not as negative as
So the cabinet guy came and brought a sample cabinet with him so we could make some decisions on the space. We also got to see this is the studio bathroom. We made a couple changes after seeing the layout laid out like this. Then we were off to the fireplace store. This is a gas fireplace, but I thought it looked pretty good. A busy day. Are we super glamorous in our jewelry strips?
We're not yet, but we will be. That's the point.
Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.